Good morning, friends, and welcome back to Lady's Farm. So I've got a big project that I'm going to start today. We just placed an order for some meat chicks that are going to be coming in a couple weeks, and we need to get the spot ready for them. So come on along while I get that ready. Alright, so a couple weeks ago we started working on this brooder because we knew the chickens were coming, but now it's crunch time. So come on in and I can show you what we've done so far and then what I've got planned to do for the rest of it. Alright, so this is the first thing that we built was this door, and this is going to allow airflow and everything for the chickens that are in here. So come on in. Right here we have our heat lamps. We've got 3 of them. One more we haven't put up quite yet. So we're going to have 3 heat lamps here for the chickens to get warm if they get too cool. And then they have plenty of space over here to run around if they get too warm and they can get away from the heat. So the flooring we just cleaned out. We went through it with a metal magnet to make sure there's no nails left over. We cleaned it all up. I'm now going to level this out so it is nice for the chickens to walk on. This right here is going to go up here. We're going to cut this out and put this up here to allow some more airflow to come through. And we will be putting some chicken wire on this so that nothing can get in or out, so it's safe for the chicks. Over here I have the bedding. This is the bedding that we're going to use to put all along the floor for the chicks. And we made sure to get the pine shavings and not cedar. Cedar has been known to be toxic to chickens. The oils and everything that seep out of it are not good for the chickens to be around, so we made sure that we got all pine. I also got some wire, and this is the 1/2 inch mesh wire. This is going to go around the whole length of the barn just to make sure no snakes or any other critters get in here and harm our chicks. Over here I have a spot that we're going to cut this out as well, and this is going to be the area for the chicks to get out and graze on the grass that we have on the side of this barn. Come on outside and I'll show you what that looks like. Over here, so this is where it's going to get cut out. We're going to have a bridge put here so they can walk across, but all this grass out here is going to be for the chicks to graze on. We purchased a Premier 1 fencing that we're going to put around the whole length to keep the chickens safe, but this will allow them to do lots of grazing, get all the grass that they want, the bugs they want, and it also stays pretty shaded throughout the day. So let me go ahead and get back to where I started and finish up getting this brooder ready.
There's a lot of
So we ran out of staples, so we have to go to the store and get some more. But so far what we finished was at least this one wall right here. We've got the 1/2-inch mesh wiring up to keep snakes out all along the side, all right here. This is where the gate's going to be for them to go in and out. So we left that open so we can do that. We started over here, but yeah, we ran out of staples, so we're going to have to go to the store and get some of that. I decided not to put the bedding down until the chickens come because it's kind of moist in here, especially with the rain that we've been having. I noticed it kind of shoots in here. So I'm going to leave that in the bags until the chicks arrive, and then I'll go ahead and put that down. But I'll definitely show you guys that on that other video. So hope all is well. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.